All right, boys and girls, here are your directions for sort 14. So sort 14 is a big sort this week because we are going to be learning a new pattern and looking at the VCV pattern in a different way. So far, we've been working with VCV, if we look at slide 2 here, with the purple pattern, where when we have our VCV, that first syllable is a long syllable, and the word will break into syllables after the first vowel, human, making that U a long sound. This week, we're also looking at how the VCV pattern can also be short. In the word never, we would break into syllables after this first consonant because I don't pronounce the word never. Never is how this word is pronounced. So now we'll have to decide when we see that VCV pattern if it will have a long first syllable like human, or if the syllable break will be after that first consonant like never. So if I look at the word river, I have to decide. River, is this a long I or a short I? I believe it's going to be a short I. So this word would break into syllables after the V. River is how that word is pronounced. If I look at the word pilot, that I has a long I sound, and it would break into syllables just like sorts 12 and 13 after the I, pilot. Our third category this week is introducing a new one. We have a vowel team with VVCV. You might have heard the rule when two vowels go walkin', the first one does the talkin'. So in the word reason, the syllable break occurs after the A, reason, because we have a long E sound. If we look down at our words at the bottom, the word easy would follow this category because I have a vowel, a consonant, and the vowel. Easy has a long E sound, and I see the vowel team E-A. So when you're sorting your words this week, you're going to want to notice, do you see that vowel team with two vowels next to each other? Or do we see the VCV pattern either with that long sound or the short sound? For slide number 3, you're going to break down some words we haven't seen into syllables. So when I say the word famous, I hear a long A sound. So famous would break after the A, famous. You're going to continue to type in the slides to enter how these other words would be separated. Remember, boys and girls, that all of the words have 2 syllables, so I should only see one of the breaks. For slide number 4, they've given you some words, and your job is to decide which break of the word is correct. So you're going to say the word comet. Do we say comet or comet? If we take a look here at the first one, I think I actually see a typo. Do you see it? We're going to take this slide out, boys and girls. We're going to delete this one. So Mrs. Reger right now is deleting this slide because I saw too many mistakes on that one. So we're not going to worry about that one. Just like that, poof, gone. Let's jump to slide 4. By this time, you should be an expert practicing with breaking your words up. I would like you to look at your list of words that I gave you earlier in the week. Your list of spelling words will contain all of these words. So these are the ones I want you to focus on. Let's take a look at the word pilot. We're going to type our word in the blank. We're going to describe the vowel sound in that first syllable. Pilot. pilot. I hear a long I sound. Since it is long, the vowel is open. Now, don't forget, when it is open, that means that the vowel will follow that VCV pattern. So the syllable break would come after the vowel. So in our word pilot, we're going to separate it after that vowel. Let's take a look at river. River. River has that short I sound. So we say that is a closed sound. Now, this is our new pattern this week, boys and girls, where we still have VCV, but we're splitting the word after that first consonant, rib-er, because rib-er has that short I sound. So unlike pilot, where I still have the VCV, that has the long I sound. For the last one, let's take a look at easy. Easy has our new pattern, easy, which has a long E sound. It's part of that vowel team. So even though it's still a long sound, we're going to still say it's open. But now we've got that vowel, consonant vowel, that's making that long sound. So when we go to separate easy, the word splits into two syllables after the vowel. Please check off your words, and if it helps you, you can even cross them off on your paper copy of your words. Finally, for slide 6, I'm asking you to write a short story. Remember that a story needs to have characters, a setting, and a problem that your character is trying to solve. In your story, I should see at least 10 of your spelling words. Make sure that you bold them so I can find them. If you would like to put a picture in the box that goes along with your story, you may. So those are all of your activities this week for Sort 14.